Hello, 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 everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. It is February 22nd, Friday, end of the third week of the month. We've got nothing but green on the screen. Dow Jones Industrial Average broke through the levels. We talked about it yesterday. Market had two choices. To hit that 26,000 Dow, 2,800 in the S&P, a level that we approached three times in the last quarter of 2018, but have yet to see for a while. Approach it and break down and sell off, making the bargain hunters happy, making the short sellers happy, or there will be something else, some narrative, something positive, economically, globally, whatever. It's going to take this market into the stratosphere and go higher. Breaking through that ceiling, breaking through those barriers, breaking through resistance, and taking the market higher. We got that today with a lot of rally coming out of China, some positive narrative coming out of the U.S. about China trade, a lot of quietness and pause and patience coming out of the Fed, and all those things caused the market to rally. We came in here on a Friday morning, February 26th, and boom! Market opened up 150 points and continued to drift higher and higher and higher. We closed up 200, probably right off the highs of the day. The S&P made it to 2791, 2793 in the cash, almost at 2800. That didn't make it, but the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at 26,031. Stop the madness. Now, the next stop is Dow Jones 30,000. I love you. So where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? It is a Friday. It is the third week of February, and this market is on fire. 800 million, sort of anemic inside. Oil back up at 57 and a quarter. That's a nice rally. So the energies rallied. The transports were down. Gold up a little bit. Russell up 15 handles. S&P up 18 handles. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 181 points. Solid week. Solid rebound. Solid breakthrough. Closed above that on the Dow, 26,031 points. Did not make it to the S&P. We'll see what happens on Monday. Once again, we did not really blow through it, but we held in solid green ground across the board. Two choices once again. It is Friday. They could have sold them. They could have taken profits of what we've seen as the last 7 weeks of a rally, but they didn't. NASDAQ up 8 consecutive days and a solid rally as well, but they didn't sell that either. So either we're going to approach the S&P 2800, that's going to be resistance. The Dow will sell off its 26,000 level, or we're going to just make this our base, our new base, and go higher. A lot of things to come. There is projections of zero earnings growth for 2019. There are some headwinds in this area. There are some obstacles to going higher, but it really depends. This market seems to have been baked in on the China trade, baked in on the Fed trade, and that could be moving us higher. So we'll all see. Next week's another week. This week is a beautiful day. NYSE Einstein, Inside Verstov. I love you all. I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.